She ain't gonna holler. She didn't say nothing when I walked up on her the first time. Her mama put her there, she will not say a word. Unless something's after, like we was.
Cleaning that brushes.
No, I walked all down through all that.
Y'all. Finally got my... Oh, Jesus.
We ain't locked in yet. Glass is slick, that rain on it.
Well,
What?
we got to try to get out of this. Put this Z71 on her. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Woo, my nerves were shot again, y'all. Once again. She's still up there looking, Will.
Yeah, she looking.
Where in the heck could that darn thing be?
I think it's down there.
She looking toward that way. I seen her looking toward that way.
Uh-oh, she raised up. We warm somewhere. It's right in here. You right, Travis.
She looking dead at us, y'all. Little spot.
Can you zoom in?
I don't know why.
You know what? We ain't got enough people to walk and find it. We ain't got enough people to walk and find it. Somebody keep an eye on her.